Okay, here we have a Seat Leon Sports Tourer. It's a 2024 years model. Let's see where we have the OBD socket on this one here. So you step inside here next to the... So let's see. We can find it next to the brake pedal. And then we go up here. And we're gonna find a purple. There we have it finally. Well, there is the OBD 2 socket on the Seat Leon from 2024, so it's just to the left of the brake pedal under the dashboard. So that's where you find the OBD 2 socket on the Seat Leon from 2024. And if you want to purchase yourself a OBD2 scanner, just look in the description below and click on the link, and you will come to Amazon, where they have some great deals on the different type of OBD2 scanners. Alright, thank you for watching, have a great day, bye bye.